Isn't this look is perfect for the brides who love smoky on the eyes and nude lips? I mean, what is going on? Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing really very great. My name is Simran Kaur and I am in this beauty industry for good 6.5 years. So I'm a good person to suggest you products. And today we are doing a one brand tutorial and we have today Daily Forever 52, and I have honestly not tried a lot of products from this particular brand, and the brand was kind enough to send a lot of products. And I want to be very specific. This video is not sponsored video. This is a non-sponsored video. So you can watch the video without even having this thought that I am paid to speak anything about any specific product. If you want to see the kind of work that I've been doing, so you can go on my Instagram account and see my work because I'm quite regular there. So let's not make this intro super long and let's get into it. I'm back with moisturized skin. I have not applied a highlighting primer. Generally, मैं हमेशा लगाती हूँ, but this time I just want to see how the products are going to work on its own. So I have three beautiful options. I have tried three of these. This one gives you very beautiful full coverage. This one gives you medium to full coverage, but this feels very lightweight on the skin. And this one is something which is more towards like sheer to medium sort of a finish, which is more towards like a your skin but better. The one that I would mostly gravitate towards would be this one. This is Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation. Really love the fact that it comes with a pump, and I'm gonna just take a little bit of this much. Also एक चीज बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग हुई मेरे साथ जब मैंने इसकी आउटर पैकेजिंग देखी तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा डर गई थी. That shade has come out to be very dark for me बिकॉज उसका जो शेड लेबल था वो बहुत ज्यादा डार्क था, बट आई वॉज रियली हैप्पी द वे दैट द शेड एक्चुअली केम आउट. करके ये शायद लाइट लग रहा होगा. आई एम गोना रियली नाइसली स्टिपल इट ऑन द बैक ऑफ माई हैंड एंड आई एम गोना अप्लाई इट ऑन माई स्किन एंड आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू हाउ इट एक्चुअली wears off half and half. So you guys can clearly see how well it beautifully wears on my skin. I want to be honest, I have tried this in the past. I have shared my review on the Instagram. Just in case you haven't checked it out, you can go ahead on my Instagram account. I'm going to link it somewhere on the screen so that you guys can simply go and check it out. By the way, I'm just blending it without putting any kinds of edit. Okay, the blending is pretty much done. Before and the after is in front of you. You guys can clearly see how my skin looks like. अगर आप zoom in करके देख रहे हो टैब से, you will be able to see कि मेरे बिल्कुल भी imperfection बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं दिख रहे हैं. और रही बात इन areas की, likewise I just mentioned, मैं यहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी foundation कोई भी ऐसा cream product नहीं लगाती हूँ. इवन पाउडर भी मैं बहुत लाइटली लगाती हूँ बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ आई लाइक माई मेकअप टू लुक लाइक. बहुत ज्यादा ओवर और मडी ना लगे. 95% ऑफ द टाइम्स आई यूज अ ब्रश एंड यू गाइस कैन सी जस्ट एक पंप ऑफ फाउंडेशन ने मुझे इतनी अच्छी ब्यूटीफुल कवरेज दी है. सो आई एम गोना डू द सेम ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर साइड एज वेल एंड यू गाइस कैन क्लियरली सी दैट फटाफट से ये सारी इम्परफेक्शन हटा देता है. और मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ मॉइस्चराइज किया स्किन को, विच इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल थिंग दैट आई was expecting out of this particular foundation. अभी भी थोड़ा सा foundation on the back of my hand रह गया है तो मैं उसको apply कर रही हूँ on the neck so that it looks very cohesive. सच कहूँ तो concealer की कोई need लग ही नहीं रही है. And the skin is genuinely looking very flawless and doesn't feel very very heavy. और बस एक pump में अगर मुझे इतनी beautiful coverage आ गई है तो this foundation is going to last a very very long time. I have two shades from One Berry and this is the complete coverage concealer. If you guys know me, you would know that मैं बहुत ज़्यादा color corrector से बचती हूँ because I really feel that doesn't work for the kind of skin that I have, and also मुझे नीट नहीं लगती कि मुझे जरूरत है. और अगर मुझे करना भी होता है अपनी आईज को न्यूट्रलाइज, I use a darker concealer. You guys know me if you have been following me for the longest time. I'm taking off all of the excess. अच्छे से फैला रही हूँ. ओके, तो ये अच्छे से ड्राई भी होता है तो मुझे ब्लेंड करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. I feel my lips are super dry, so I'm gonna apply a lip balm. Now I'm gonna blend it underneath my eyes. Yes, I'm using the same brush. I want to show you how it blended out. I mean, I do want to show you up close in person that it blended quite nice. Alrighty, the base and the concealer is done. This is Spring Into Spray, which has rose extract, which is very moisturizing and soothing on the skin. I have used quite a bit of this. एक दो बार मैंने इसे use किया and it's quite moisturizing. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो इसने फेस पे कोई भी पाउडर नहीं लगाया, देन हाउ कम शी इज अप्लाइंग स्प्रे ऑन हर फेस. सो लेट मी बी वेरी क्लियर, आई लाइक माई बेस टू हैव सम अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन. एक्चुअली सम नहीं, अगर वो बहुत ज्यादा हाइड्रेशन भी होगी सो आई डू नॉट माइंड. और मैंने देखा बिकॉज माई स्किन इज टूवर्ड्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ड्राई स्किन टाइप, और मैंने देखा है जो प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ज्यादा हाई कवरेज होते हैं और मैट फिनिश देते हैं, दैट मेक्स माई स्किन लुक वेरी लाइक dry, and I do not like that sort of a feeling. So I want to keep it very moisturized and very well balanced. I'm going to apply one more layer. And if I'll be really honest, it has hydrated my skin quite well. एक और चीज, अगर आप कभी भी किसी भी तरीके का स्प्रे लगा रहे हो ऑन योर स्किन, किसी भी तरीके का स्प्रे हो, प्लीज आड़े टेढ़े मुंह मत बनाना, बिकॉज फेस पे लाइंस आ सकती है. लेट इट गेट ड्राई अ लिटिल सो दैट आई कैन शो यू द स्किन. आई डोंट नो कहाँ से वो छोटू सा बाल मेरी नाक पे या फेस पे कभी भी आ जाता है. इट्स so damn annoying. My skin is well hydrated because ये foundation and concealer काफी ज्यादा high coverage और matte finish पे थे. It has made my skin look very good. अभी भी थोड़ी सी semi damp है मेरी skin, but I am really happy with the finish. Again, I have two different shades from the same variant. This one is 002 and this one is 001. Which one should I go for? I'm gravitating more towards this one, so I'm going to apply this 002 called the Juicy Cheek Soft Cheek Tint Liquid Blush, and this is how it's going to open. I have discovered a new trick. अगर कभी भी ना आपका प्रोडक्ट ना आ रहा ना, तो इस जगह को ना प्रेस करना, and then you have your product. See, I'm seriously not going to do that stupidity ऐसे dot करके लगाने की. So I'm just going to really nicely finish that. Damn pigmented, you guys. Brush is well coated. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's pigmented, you guys. So अगर ज़्यादा हो गया, so that's why I didn't use this particular brush. So मैं उससे अच्छे से फिनिश कर लूँगी on the skin. This shade is perfect for brides and also for the people who loves that Pakistani sort of a look. I'm not mad at the finish. It's blending quite nice. Okay, blend it so beautifully. I'm gonna do the same thing over here as well. By the way, ये सारा product waste हो गया है, so use a very little amount of it. And it's blending quite nice. I'm really loving that particular finish of it. The first time I wore this translucent powder on my skin, I have to be very honest, I was wearing sunglasses, or generally whenever you wear your sunglasses, वो यहाँ पे ना एक mark छोड़ देते हैं. And I was very much surprised to see that it didn't leave a very big dig like that. I was so eagerly excited to try this Color Me Out eyeshadow palette. This looks so gorgeous. I mean, I am loving it. Loving it. This has all the versatile shades of nudes that you would need to do your eye makeup. I'm gonna take this Gleam Grace right here. I'm just gonna make like a, oh my god, these are so pigmented. Can you see? That's something that I'm very happy with. Actually, मैंने काफी सारे products पहले भी try कर लिए थे. Till now, I haven't disliked any product. I absolutely love how most of the products looked upon me. Blends so effortlessly. Like, I love it. Love the fact that it comes with a very giant mirror, so it's helping me down here as well. Now I'm taking 3 dabs of this Velvet Vanity. The pigmentation is insane. I'm gonna finish that underneath my transition shade. Deepening the color a little bit. I see no harsh patches and no muddiness. Why don't I apply a gel pot black eyeliner and then I'm going to really nicely blend it. Honestly, never touched it before, so really have no idea how this is going to wear off. Completely new to this bandwagon, and also I got 2 tiny little brush with this. I'm going to use this flat tip wala brush. एक बस line लगाई है and it's pretty much got coated, so I'm going to use this one so that I see sort of a pigment we have. It's very easy for you to, make a straight line out of it. If you're going for black jet eyeliner, then you can definitely keep this into consideration. Eyeliner pot को हमेशा फटाफट से बंद करके रख दो because ये dry बहुत जल्दी होते हैं. अब मैं outer को अच्छे से blend कर सकती हूँ using those 2 shades. I wish थोड़ा जल्दी मैंने काम किया होता because ये थोड़ा सा सूख गया है. So I'm just very slowly blending the outer area so that it looks very smoky and nice. I have one more glitter eyeshadow to play with. So should I go with it or not? इसको खराब ना कर दे, but I'm really excited to use that one as well. अब एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं तो उसके साथ भी थोड़ा सा कर ही लेते हैं. Stella's eyeshadow palette. The glitter shades are to die for. They are so beautiful. So which one should I apply and which one to leave? I'm thinking to go ahead with this poppy white shade on the inner corners. Pan made looks white, but here it's turning out to be coppery. I'm shifting to a different brush and I'm going to use this one instead. Oh my god. This color looks so stunning and I love the glitter flexes. I'm taking the second color that I took underneath and just connecting it to this particular line. Before I apply the mascara, I want to wipe off the excess powder and we'll go ahead with the same spray and bring back that hydration to my skin. Shaking it really well. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं इसे बहुत जल्दी खत्म कर दूंगी because I'm using quite a lot of it and I'm loving how it's actually looking on my skin. I legitimately can't apply any kind of mascara without my eyelash curler. So I'm gonna do exactly that because it makes a huge lot of a difference. If you don't like doing it and you really feel very scared, you can totally skip it. Using the Unbelievable mascara, I'll show you the wand. This is how the wand looks like. Okay, let me apply it and share with you. It's coating my lashes quite well. This is curling my lashes and lengthening it at the same time. Do you see? Separating it so well. This is my first time using this mascara. Isse pehle I have never used it. Time for the last step, that is lipstick. But before that, let's remove the lip balm. Don't worry, I don't have anything underneath. No other lip tint or lip stain. I'm using the lipstick I Am Limited in the shade Dear. Oh my god, this shade is beautiful and super nudie. Let me just show you how it swatches. It's a super nude shade and I'm not at all mad at it. Oh my god. It's a perfect shade for those brides out there who just love a nude shade and they have done a quite heavy sort of a base. जनरली इस शेड को ओपेक कवरेज और क्रीमी बनाना काफी डिफिकल्ट होता है. इंडिया में जो लिपस्टिक्स अभी हम देख रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर न्यूडी शेड एंड दिस इज, सो आई एम क्वाइट इम्प्रेस्ड. अगर ये वन ब्रांड ट्यूटोरियल नहीं होता देन आई वुड हैव एडेड अ लिप लाइनर, बट एज इट इज भी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल शेड लग रहा है. ऐसे करने में थोड़ी सी पैची हो रही है. कैन यू सी? Apart from this, I do have 3 more setting sprays with me. I have used these 2. ये मैंने अभी recently upload करा on my Instagram account. On this, I made a series wherein I do like setting spray की commitment. If you haven't seen that particular video, I'm going to put it in the bottom bar or I'm going to pin it down through the comments. You can see. Let's use this one today. All Day Long Makeup Fixer. Shake it really well. इसको दूर से ही स्प्रे करना ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे बार बार नहीं वो पानी छिड़कता. सो वैसी वाली फीलिंग आई. सो इसका स्प्रे बहुत ज्यादा फाइनली मिल्ड नहीं है जो बाकी सारों के है फॉर श्योर, बट इसका नहीं है. आई मीन इट स्प्रेज लाइक दिस. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you so very much for watching this video till the end. I do not know why this look is giving me a bright feel, but I am really happy with the outcome. Glad I tried a one brand tutorial. If you want me to do more such videos like these in future, let me know through the comments. I would love to respond back and love to create sort of videos like that. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It would really mean a lot to me and it'll just take a moment of you. So why don't you do it right now and make me happy and let me know that you are subscribed or not through the comments.